Different safety features on 2-pins and 3-pins plug. So British plugs are safer than other plug designed on Earth because when being plugged, all you could touch is the body of the plug, unlike the 2-pins in which you could touch a little bit of the pins, which has more potential dangers comparing to this one. So inside the British plug, you have 3 different wires in which the blue one is neutral and brown is live, and the yellow and green one is the wire that prevents people from being electrocuted. That's why the British plug is safer than the 2-pins plug. Comparing to the British plugs, the 2-pins plug is also safe, in which it has bumps in the inside of the sockets to hold the plug more firmly, so to prevent it from falling down. So in Vietnam, it's often seen that people use these kinds of plugs, which is like the 2-pins plug. However, this plug is actually not as safe comparing to the 3-pins plug, because you could actually touch this metal bits when you plug it into this kind of sockets. So for instance, you can see here, you could still see like a little bit of space down there. That's why it's less safe comparing to the 3 pins. So in order for plugs in Vietnam to be safe like the British one, one possible solution is to buy the plugs like the ones that Britain use, which is like the 3-pins plug like this, and this bit end here is longer comparing to the 2 pins over here. So this is safer because first of all, when you plug it, like you could only touch the body, so it's less dangerous, which causes less potential dangers of you being electrocuted or something like that. And another reason why this is safer comparing to the 2-pins plug is because inside there is like the 3 wires, which as mentioned before, the blue, the yellow and green, and the brown, which the blue represents neutral, the brown represents live, and the green and yellow like preventing people from being electrocuted because it basically takes away all of the charges. That is why this should be one of the possible solutions for the Vietnamese government to use, so that it would keep people safe and away from being electrocuted.